Baby, that's my boy. You get anything you like. Long as you alright, then me alright. Know your man, that's why I like you. To a woman that likes
Wagwan YouTube, you don't know, it's Shika Chung, and I'm back with another video. I'm a new YouTuber. I was supposed to do a YouTube tag, but I'm not gonna do that yet. I'm gonna just jump right in and do this video because I wanted to get this video out before the year ended. So this video is gonna be my top 35 dancehall songs for 2017. Yeah, it's a go sick, it's a go mad because my tune them sick. All you guys who listen to dancehall music, you guys know that a Pierre Mad song come out that year. Yeah. So I'm gonna be playing my songs that I love this year. I was gonna do 10 songs, then I was gonna do 20. But then when I started listing the songs that I love, it ended up being over 35, and I'm like, nah, I'm not gonna do 40. I'm not gonna do more than jot it down to 35 songs. I'm gonna play the songs, but it's not gonna be in any specific order. But the number one, the song that I'm putting at number one, like that is gonna be like my number one song for 2017. Other than that, without further ado, I'm gonna jump right in to my top 2017 songs for dancehall this year. Big Bombo Clat tune this.
J.O.P. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ha, 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 ho, ho, ho. Couple rubber band, couple stop then. Couple rubber band, couple stop then. Up inna the street, we a drop there. J.O.P. We a go fuck up a party tonight, just watch. Tonight, me feel like spend some cash. Cool on the Benz, just watch. If a Givenchy shoes, then the belt must match. Gucci load pass with a tough top. Money no fi call thicker than a blood clot. Who you know? I'm a belly with a touch back. When a bad sound clear, we say pull it up back. Everybody shout, yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Harry, Harry, if you saw that flip, get off the ring.
Cool ravers, man shoulder fi a flick. Tell your shoulder fi a flick. Cool ravers a far with ding ding dong the new dancing cat. And your shoulder fi a flick. Tell your shoulder fi a flick. Watch your world to a speak and a
We send them on yeah. Boy dead like straight dog. Remember in a the graveyard. Boy, you a punk, you throat me a go slash. Pussy where you know about booze, Gaza ash. M1 rifle strap on pa my block. Crack your skull like calabash. Go suck your mother dog. You know bad like unruly. The zig triangle brand. Shut up plane on your head like Looney. I am so fucking unruly.
Me say make we keep up wanna dance. Call it sit down pa me cocky Sunday. On speed can't lock the one you have. You don't need no permit fi fuck me. Bring it to the owner. No, I would say I'm my pussy so cool. Bring it to the owner. No.
You do your body and your breasts and them vex. Girls and nation girls, and don't you for your breast then and for your bumper. Yeah, you look like a luxury doll. So much perfection without the flaws. I would like to see you without your drawers. Stop it up. Darling, 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 darling.
love you girl, me love you girl. Love you girl, me love you girl.
Wine pan the dan, climb pan the man. Take a little time, because the night out long. Go so by my slide with it down. Rock cocky on your pussy, me no care. She a wine pan the song, wine pan the long. Turn back way, that at the right position. Girl, you know business, I me like on your tan. She give me the pussy anywhere, anywhere. Transform whenever I talk. Just as if here she start up. Anytime she start talk up, that I make you feel tell her so she want her fuck. Pan it nice and easy, na all I'm for. Arms and seconds. Any plan, any game, any plan, any sweet, any loss of us. Ever I eat a party, see people call me that I pass out. I fight them, I fight on a rise, not a rise. Most time I negative things, no man advertise. Time I'm stronger now, stronger now. I'm really stronger now, stronger now. I'm stronger now, stronger now. I'm really stronger now, stronger now.
Baby, me love coming in. Your pussy coming like it's still a virgin. Come broke it like promises. My arm the chest. Yeah, I'ma be your king. I'm gonna be your sexy. Yeah, be your pussy girl. You see the today and tomorrow. Me nah like get your pussy girl. Any position your skinny tone. Your pum pum better than your knee. Born again virgin.
Bokopina.
Bokopina. Bokopina. Bokopina. Girl, I been up in a 9 and in a 10. Say me nah go get a pussy there again. Can me rougher than a man with rubber band. As me come, so me ready back again. Peanut, oats, blame. Get the oats, get the supply gel. Get the nuts, get the nothing made. Blame it up, turn it on your head. Get a girl and just go get your children. Get a girl and just go get your children. Get a girl and just go get your children. Unruly. Why they on the freeze or chill like beach? People are dead when they kill it they reach. What that done tie rope round your neck like leech. Out of your brother get me a Libya bleach.
Big Mackie level travel on the front seat. And me a give you the whole light in your front teeth. This suit see my cap on the cold concrete. Plus he get a pretty gift name coffin and read.
We don't play, put your dinner inside.
Still I count all money and me not drop no new money yet. Hey, when you make a dollar you fi spin it. You fi turn it around and spin it. Millions in the billy. Now I want bag of teeth when you see it. Fresh cash, 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 fresh cash. As me afraid to go, I'm afraid to come back.
Oh la la, a young lad, young Jordan. Is it? We tell them, not even they can stop me. Young but my heart to the core. Living my life on the road, I make money and I fuck up a backward. So we tell them, suave, just look at my swaggy. Jump in a Gucci, jump in a Versace. Have about 100 grand, no for my body. 100 round for any man who want to take it from me. Suave, want make me so suave.
Oh, I feel everything in me. Load up your gun, make it bust in me. Breathe me one, breathe, baby, come in me. I can't hold it. Baby, me can't hold it. I can't hold it, me a ball out.
Girl, you so good that you get 10 out of 10. Bubble up yourself and then you spread out again. What a body good like when you make out a gem. Hot in your clothes when you step out again. I just 10 out of 10 out of 10 out of 10.
Cause them off like a tattoo, just like domino. Jot them all in a row, them fi know. Some man a pro, man a girl is them fi know.
Me gonna funk it already and you don't know.
Everything I gonna make sense soon. Get a bandit and put it over the wound. Tell them yellow moon. Well. No man don't perfect, no we have our vices and our plans. They want me to stumble, I go so hard, I take no pass. Even if I fumble, don't laugh, just get young boss in charge. Man born to do this stuff. You wanna day of the yard. No give me a talk, no want it fast.
No know why for the weed, no know why for the rum, but you know I feel too good. When I know why for the girl with me, I'm in my life, but you know I still feel good. I still feel good. Yeah, me still feel good. Yeah, me still feel good. Yeah, me still feel good. Are we running rum? Jungle is say are we running rum? Send boy, bunny fish gully down. 3 West man a bus go ahead.
2017. Them think I smile, man, I greet them with butter. Bell buckle, man, I beat them with. Look up at them, you must think them big butter. Bell buckle, man, I beat them with. So if I know the flag, I wave them now. If you can't manage, why you this the out of fight? A funeral keep after 9 night. If you can't manage, why you this the out of fight?
That's why I said you can't be done. How dare you? Oh, if you turn your back on the dogs, remember all I would you used to dip on the block. And I talk about say, who know I go rich, now you're rich. You switch, you really do that. Right now, I want a meal for share with me. I'm a friend them, friend them, friend them. I agree with it, take it. I tight. Right now, I want a meal for share with me. I'm a friend them, friend them, friend them.
Leave me alone, my glass. Oh, someone a go like them, no one give homage to the death of us. Look how much of them man you me help. Look how much of them borrow my style and they don't say buy me a class. Me not really worry about the chats. Me not worry about some little man who a try this for so last. When you see how you get knocked up a sack. Always create moments we never live in the past. From me little me I say anytime me get in, me I feel like a impact. Shut a left the gun and every man a collect some. Anybody run, I get it, anybody run. Girl a ball looks if you remember say yes my son. Badness them a copy so we paste it down in a the gun. Yeah man a weird when them ends up put gunshot in head. Them think them bad, them a kingdom, them give them coffee bun. No juvenile can no wish for me lock my gun.
Oh, bind it. I ain't at the right place. I ain't at the right place. I ain't at the right place. And everybody knows that the gen and the light trace.
Me overdo it. Put the cape and repeat. Pull it in a face and a feet. Left shell on the street. Make base for the sea. Boy gone with the worm if you go for you. El Chapo down. Kill it. El Chapo down. Kill it. Evil.
We get trapped between two barely see. And we can't choose which one of them. Got the black one cool and pretty. And the brown enough money I spent. And the brown in born February. Dog and the black one born April. So the two of them will kill for the cocky. So the two of them jealous gone to hell. She not never die. She not never die.
First Jordan, man, a rock NSC and the rocks. If you this, you get 3 from the Glock. Champion, man, a pop, y'all a flock. When me stop, man, I got anywhere, pan them up.
Pussy them eyes me. Flash at the piece and then they criticize me.
Yo, yeah, I mean shout out, bro. So she go on. Marcus, tell them very nice and clean. I mean act like the rice was steam. Water this right there ready, be my fucking team. Fresh like the fucking stream. Clean to the bone, so me do it every day. Oh, me not just clean Friday. Some boy on the day when a public holiday. Believe me, say I know how we stay.
Fuck and left fire is a
Nothing too can't talk out for me, this is dog, as a genocide.
My dog them a feelings. My dog them a feelings. Fuck the bag of girl and them all a who no like how we a live. Panting for bed, panning for it. My rough flying go for it. Empty the bright, my dog them a feelings. My dog them a feelings. Fuck the bag of girl and them all a who no like how we a live. Panting for bed, panning for it. My rough flying go for it. Empty the bright, go for it.
On the block, nothing change, my tick in a lock. Flip flop, any pan the rock, how much me enemy da flap. Pussy them a carry belly for the plant.
Last but definitely not least,
Your icon.
When me wrote them, they bring him. Kill him, kill him.
Hanging tree. Batty boy, raper boy, now got dead pussy.
In a day, blood clot place me from. And you only know support the raper man. Some boy I must be batty man. How the fuck them a murder so much man?
No raper, we no support. Them pussy, they no figure face, no judging and no court. I mean, if them a go in a your church, chop him up fine and national board.
When the last them, the gas them, the tire. Jungle justice, the machine on fire. Run him down, but that's the hatchet, go catch him. Pussy love kidnap, girl, alright, kidnap him.
anyways guys, so that was my top 35 dancehall songs for 2017. Oh, that was a lot. I don't even understand, but I'm so glad I can share with you my top 2017 playlist. Yeah, but anyways guys, stay tuned for some new videos coming out. 2018, I'm up and running. I will be putting out vlogs, tutorials, challenges, anything that you guys want to see from me. You guys drop it down below in the comment. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like it, make sure you comment, you share with your mama, your papa, your father. Papa and father the same thing. Anyways, your papa, your father, your sister, your uncle, your auntie, your everything, your friend, your best friend, your man, your ex-man, your matey, your bonner man, everything. Make sure you share it. And yeah, make sure so everybody I watch this video, yeah? And make sure everybody subscribe to my channel. I said it again because I'm serious. Anyways, but yes, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.